Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this DIY video, I'll be walking you through how to embroider espadrilles. On Instagram, I asked and you answered as to what design I should go for, so without further ado, here's a tutorial on how to embroider daisies on these perfect summer shoes. P.S. Apologies for the inconsistent lighting throughout, I was working with natural lighting for this video. What you'll need is a pair of espadrilles, I got mine off Amazon and purposely went for a bluish pair, linked below, white and yellow embroidery thread, a needle, and a pencil. Begin by sketching out your design. I'm opting for daisies with 6 petals and drew out the lines accordingly. I found working from the center out to be the best method to keep the design well balanced and even. I made sure to duplicate the same pattern on the second shoe and staggered the daisies in a very similar way so it'd be like a mirrored image. This design uses 2 very simple stitches, perfect for beginners like myself. I've really only ever done 4 very basic embroidery projects before, so if I can do this, so can you. The first stitch is the lazy daisy stitch, so get that needle threaded and let's do it. Start on the back side of the cloth and push the needle through towards the center of the flower sketch. Ever so slightly to the left of the starting point, thread the needle back through, leaving a loop. At the top of the line, bring the needle through, catching the loop. Insert the needle back into the cloth on the opposite side of the thread, close to that third point, and pull through, securing that petal in place. That is 1 petal down. Repeat this process on each line, or where you'd like each petal to be. I left a tiny hole in the center for what will be the second type of stitch. So many more to go, but keep embroidering those petals. You can have 5, 6, 7, 8 petals on each flower, or as many as you'd like. You can even vary the sizes of the daisies, or keep them somewhat uniform like I've attempted. The great thing about this stitch is that it really doesn't have to be perfect to be absolutely adorable. Plus, no one will really notice any mistakes anyway, but no doubt people will still ask you where you got these, and you get to say that you made them. Once you've finished all those daisies, it's time to complete the flowers with a French knot in the center. A French knot can be made with only a few motions. So simple. With the yellow thread, thread it through the back of the cloth to the front. Towards the base of the thread, wrap it around the needle 2 to 3 times depending on the size knot needed for the center. Wrap clockwise and be sure to keep the thread taut enough that the thread won't slide off, but loose enough to pull the needle through. Insert the needle back into the fabric almost in the same hole as the starting point and slowly pull through, keeping enough tension on the thread to create a clean knot. And voila! Some adorably embroidered espadrilles for summer. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY videos. I would so appreciate the support. And please let me know if you'd like to see any particular projects or videos from me. I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!